Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are delving into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has classified Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.47. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a decline of 9.16%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.61% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $168.69 be breached, it would indicate a heightened rate of decline. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of -12.23% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from -14.96% to +4.59%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis foresees a projected change of 40.36%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 38.46% and 88.73% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price between $241.05 and $328.57. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price gained 1.46% on the last trading day, Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $171.59 to $174.09. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.42% from a day low of $171.93 to a day high of $174.37. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 3.57% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.97 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $226.40, while the lowest price was $125.78. Currently, the price is 23.11%, or $52.31, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is experiencing renewed interest amid the recent downturn in the technology sector. While the overall market has encountered challenges, TSMC remains a strong player in the semiconductor industry, crucial for the production of advanced chips essential for artificial intelligence and robotics. Recent reports indicate that despite a 20% drop in its stock price, this could present a buying opportunity, as TSMC has demonstrated resilience with over 200% growth in the past 5 years. The company's strategic $100 billion investment plan in U.S. fabrication plants is enhancing its competitive edge, although concerns about costs persist. This long-term investment may not adversely impact financials significantly before the year 2030, suggesting that TSMC's robust foundation will support its growth trajectory. Furthermore, TSMC's dominant market share and solid financials, including impressive gross and operating margins, reinforce its position as a leading foundry in the industry. Investor sentiment can be volatile, particularly given geopolitical tensions and trade dynamics. However, TSMC's critical role in driving U.S. artificial intelligence ambitions and its recent strong revenue growth strengthen its long-term outlook. In the short term, the current market volatility may suppress stock performance, but savvy investors might view this as an opportunity to capitalize on TSMC's potential for future gains. Overall, TSMC's strong market fundamentals and strategic initiatives position it well for sustained growth amidst fluctuating market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned TSM a buy rating together with a hold action. On the same day, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM an underperform rating coupled with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TSM a buy rating together with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock has a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $193.95. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $173.92. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 2.02%. Further increases are anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $172.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is known for its significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.44 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.42%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.02. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $192.31. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $172.97. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open lower by approximately 62 6/10 cents, starting at $173.46. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.